Hello friends, today I am show how to recover a pendrive after installing NICEHASH OS or CUDOMINER OS or simple mining OS in your pendrive. So we'll start, we'll go into the PC and here I found a NHOS pendrive and it is showing me format, and if I format it, it will not. See, my pen drive is not coming, around 15 GB of the pen drive, and now it's showing me 0.97 MB and 127 MB, and how I can format it. So you need a tool, only 1 MB of the tool, you need to download it here. So you need Rufus, so I will download it. I will download the latest version. It's downloaded. Here it is showing. So I quickly open it and see it's automatically take my pen drive 16 GB, which is not showing here, but it's converted to two partition. So Rufus is very intelligent and it is taking automatically the partitions, and 16 GB it's showing. You have to click here boot selection, free DOS, and then you have to start it. Click on the OK, deleting partition, formatting, done. So your pen drive is formatted now. See, it's coming here. So now you have to format it again. You have to go here, restore device default, need to remove volume label and start. Now your pen drive is recovered. To remove the pen drive and plug it again. Now it's working. Don't forget, you have to format it again after formatting in the Rufus. So thank you so much. Please like, share and comment. Bye.